morning. Hey, Eric here. Today we're going to do a bike check on a 2014 Specialized Stumpjumper alloy. It used to belong to a friend of mine. After he sold it to my brother-in-law, and we got it at a steal. We had to do minor upgrades, and you'll be able to see the upgrades later on. Nothing to really brag about this bike because it's a reasonably standard bike, but the key here is that don't say that all things are not good, because at the end of the day, your poison is somebody else's steak, maybe. Yeah. So the bike check in question is that one over there, and I hope you enjoy this one. Give some ideas on how to upgrade an old bike to a new one. Happy watching. Good morning. So today we are going to talk about a 2014 Specialized Stumpjumper alloy. Well, it's an old bike, but you can't spell gold without old. So today, this is a story of who says you can't teach old dogs new tricks. Still very effective due to its geometry. It's lightweight alloy as well, unlike the alloy of Lite. The older alloys are actually quite light. This one over here, this full bike comes in at approximately 14 kilos. I don't know why, but it's pretty darn light for a size medium 29er non-boost. So 2014 bicycle. Let's go through a really quick bike check on how we can actually redo up our old bikes to make it brand new again. Well, at least feeling brand new. Nice sexy ODI Troy Lee grips over there. Updated 12 speed. This is an SX if I'm not wrong, and with the guide R brakes. Now these were a bit soggy when we first got it, so we had to actually bleed it, and some of the bushings inside were a bit screwed as well, so we had to do something about it as well. So it came with a few problems, but not that they cannot be repaired. Spank vibro core, this one here. Vibro core, the one that's supposedly to absorb your vibrations when you come down quick. We have yet to change the stem. This one here is a bit long at 70 mm, so we should be doing it at a different type of length. So Fox 34, I think these are the older versions, but they're on the 29ers. Brand X dropper post, box standard, but still very reliable. This is your Riesel design, like what's his name, Aquaman's tattoo. Okay, so these are box standard. All the tires are still your Specialized tires. The previous owner of this actually did not use the bike regularly. He used it only like not more than 4 or 5 times, so that's why the bike is still brand spanking new condition. Roll balls, existing ones, color coded, which we've got the Fox float CDD as well. Old school but cool. And that is your unfortunately problematic bottle cage holder. So apparently the hole inside is being rounded off, so it's difficult for us to do it at the present moment, so we will be redoing that. Standard SRAM X9 cranks, and after which you got your DMR volts here, color coded red. These were bought, and then after which the rear is on a 160, and I've got to mention that the front was actually using a 180. So again, ground control, Specialized tires. I think they're a bit non-bitey. They're good, but they don't bite very mild. This is updated, the SX cassette 12 speed as well. SX drivetrain 12 speed. If you're on a budget, it does what it needs to do. Nothing to shout about, but it brings you up and down as well. So this was the molded one-piece chain guide, chain stay with the specialized chain slap protector, and then after which we have the Wolf 2 30T. This is still using 104 BCD. So there you go. Specialized 2014 Stumpjumper, old but gold series. So don't, how do I say it? Don't say no to old things. At the end of the day, if it's not broken, why fix it? These are all still good condition parts, and if you catch a good deal on Carousel, why not? There you go, folks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe my channel for other bike checks for Singapore bicycles and checking out from Bukit Timah Hill.